Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com, and we're going to be starting this video with one last look back at this year's NNL East. I want to thank everybody who checked out my last video. There were a lot of really nice builds there again this year, a lot of great work on display, and I was able to meet a few more of you, which is always a really nice thing to be able to put some more faces and voices to the videos and models that I see. And also, while I was there, I managed to pick up a couple of things for future projects. First of which, got some moon caps that I'm going to be using on the Stallone Cobra Mercury. That's not going to be a near future project, but I've been collecting parts for it for a while, and this was one of the last things on the checklist that I needed to get. So I finally got these. And I also got this, which is going to be my next project. This is Jimmy Flintstone's A100 van body, and it is a resin cast, but nice clean work overall. You can see got some nice script on it, both on the front and doors. The door seams nice and clean. Now, there is some flash, but really not a whole lot, and what's here is really thin, so that'll be easy to clean up. And it's designed to work with Lindbergh Little Red Wagon, which I picked up a glue bomb a few years ago, but the chassis is still pretty clean. Do have some bits and pieces that you can see there that need to be addressed, but overall, that's definitely workable, and I'm going to be using it to make this. This is Travis Pitts got some work to do now, and it's been on my radar for a while, but it's not really my usual type of build. I haven't really done a whole lot of post-apocalyptic vehicles. This year, with doing the book and comic theme, I am including standalone art pieces like this, so I decided that it was finally time to actually work on it. And I will be adding all of the weapons and the custom paint job and lights and everything else. So that should be a fun and interesting change of pace for what I usually do. So I'm going to be starting on this in the next few days, and I will have a new update next week. So check back then, and thanks for watching.